General introduction. The opportunity to develop 2 office buildings in Zhengzhou, China, as part of a unique group, embodies an important challenge due to the fact that, besides following a certain program of economic and technical requirements, these 2 towers must clearly express a concept that will make them one of a kind and representative, not only of the businesses which will use them, but of the cultural and historical realities as well as the present-day Zhengzhou and the country as a whole. Therefore, we have aimed for each tower to clearly express China's current strength as much as its tradition through their appearance and the materials used. We have envisioned 2 buildings that act in a complementary way, so as to allow for a broader conceptual framework. One of them, Building Steel H, is set out as a solid and expressive building on several scales. From a distance, it will appear as a complex monolithic rock, but up close it will unveil details of expressive complexity usually found in a fine and careful piece of work. The ideas for this work to use and allow the expression of the raw rock materials used, which will build and produce the structures metal, concrete, and crystal. The other building, Building Green H, is a variation of Steel H, composed of an external vegetable layer, which floats on anchored pots made of concrete through metallic inserts on the edge of parametric flagstones. In this way, we look to combine recognition for the Chinese tradition of developing parks and gardens with the modern expression of a crystal tower. Both proposals push for a contemporary office tower model, which incorporates in the design of the facade control of the sun as a relevant subject for the thermal design of the building, thereby improving its energy-saving indices. Space constitution. The reason for these configurations is to achieve at a volumetric level a structure with a larger quantity of folds and vertices, based on slender elements. At a space level, it looks for a bigger perimeter of natural light and more viewpoints for the office floors. Circulation design. The main axis to Building H is set out through the vertical space dividing both wings, right into the core of the project's vertical circulations. The vertical circulation of the building has been conceived with a core consisting of 12 lifts, divided into 2 vertical sections of 6 units each, which serve the 30 habitable floors of the building. In addition, the circulation core contains 2 pressurized staircases, 2 emergency lifts, 2 pairs of restrooms, as well as the corresponding shafts of the facilities. Structure design. The structure of Building H is conventional, made of capital pillars and concrete slabs, post-stressed around a rigid core. In spite of the variable geometrics of the building, all the loading elements descend vertically to the floor and the differences are absorbed by the slab's overhangs, which are never above 4 meters. Equipment design. The building's technical equipment is located on level -2, and the installations are distributed to the higher floors through vertical shafts inside the building's central core. In the false floors, data and strength are distributed and at the same time, climatization and lighting runs through the false ceiling. Building function. Level -3, engine rooms, parking lots. Level -2, engine rooms, parking lots. Level -1, parking lots, parking lot lobby, auditoriums, foyer of the auditoriums, patios. Level 0, main lobby, commercial area, cafeteria. Level 1, meeting rooms. Level 2 to 28, offices. Illumination design. The lighting of Building H is set out in order to enhance the acknowledgement of the expressive complexity of its facades. Therefore, a line of LED lights will highlight the undulated corten steel lattice and illuminate, through projectors, the space between them to show its volumetric depth. In the space between both wings of the building, its own inner light is revealed, accentuating the idea that it is actually the heart of the project that is shown in the cut between both volumes. In the case of Building Green H, a LED projector installed on the external edge of the concrete pots vertically bathed the vegetable layer. Environment and sustainability design. The environmental and sustainability design of Building H is based on 2 main definitions. The first one is concerned with the ground plan design, which maximizes its perimeter, allowing a very efficient use of natural light and reducing the energy consumption from artificial light. The second definition proposes the control of direct solar radiation through a system of facades with sun protectors, which reduce the need for climatization inside the building. Building also has a system for collecting rainwaters, which are reused for the functioning of toilet installations and vegetation irrigation within the building. In the case of building Green H, the vegetation layer serves as a solar monitor. It consists of a grid of stainless steel cables, in which creeper trees grow, that are covered in leaves in spring-summer seasons, stopping sunlight from entering workspaces. In autumn-winter seasons, leaves fall, letting sunlight into the building's interior. Rational economic statistics. Besides the plant's great efficiency that achieves a ratio over 90% of the constructed surface as a marketable area, the constructive system, as well as the building's structure, are conventional technologies applied in Popular Republic of China and seismic resistant.